So today we're going to meet Annabelle. And this is an Argosy. And
Airstream Argosy.
And Susan is the owner. Hello.
Hello.
Can you tell us what year it is?
She is a 1973. She was built late 73, but she's still titled as a 73. She's a 24-footer.
It's not too big and not too small.
Right.
Decorated for Halloween. So do you want to take us in and show me?
Sure.
Is there any history behind this, or where did you find it?
We found her in outside of Nashville, Tennessee, and we are in central North Carolina. So,
But look what I just saw. Look at that cute little sticker right there.
mm-hmm.
That's my sticker.
Yep. So the people that had her before had done some structural things to her, but we did all of the cosmetic work inside.
But they did the hard part.
Well, they did some stuff. It was like,
okay,
you know, how they worded it and what they did was a little bit, you know, different. But
okay, so it wasn't exactly what you were expecting.
right, and I've learned to ask more detailed questions now. Should I ever have to do this again? But we decided to make, we love to go to Florida, so we decided to make her theme Old Florida.
With the flamingos and palm trees.
Flamingos, palm trees. This was all, the green was all original. It's not quite avocado green, it's called tropical green. Got a little bit more chartreuse in it, so I had to make curtains that had just the right green. So I figured with that pattern, there's bound to be a green that matched.
And did you get these canisters? Do you go out antiquing and
We
looking
do,
for
but
the
every
accessories?
weekend we go somewhere looking for stuff.
Yeah, and look at that macrame with the polyester rope.
Oh yeah,
That's
this
neat.
is all, we love the 70s were our time, so.
So your refrigerator is not original, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
It's not, and it's at one time they had, the old kind that had to be, I guess it was a propane, and had the vent, and so we had done, there's no air conditioning. So we put a portable air conditioner, and we have it vented out the old refrigerator hood that goes behind the cabinet.
Oh, good idea.
So, but
And
we
does
had
that
found
cool
one
the whole
skinny
camper?
enough to go in here. It does pretty good, except when it's like 100 degrees.
Okay.
So we've had a couple times that we actually put a window unit in the bedroom.
And is this ceiling original?
No, this is what my husband did this.
Okay.
We had seen something similar in another camper, and we put grass cloth, kind of going with the tropical vibe again.
Uh-huh.
And we had originally had grass cloth all the way up to here, but when it hit the curve, it just didn't want to stick good, so we had to pull it off and scrape all the glue off, and then we painted again.
A little extra work. And then you've got the hippie beads here.
Yep, we found that in a little store, and we fell in love with them. So.
And look at the bedspreads.
And so we put the these are actually tablecloth covers, but we found old vintage postcards of old places in Florida. Like the Singing Tower, Block Tower, and the Parrot Jungle, and we actually have one, the Cypress Gardens, with who's the swimmer? Not Ethel Mormon. Esther Williams.
Over here.
Mm-hmm. Maybe it's kind of hard to see. It doesn't help much. But anyway, my husband, he traveled a lot when he was young, and so when they lived in Florida, they went to every one of these little resort touristy places.
So those are memories for him.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yep.
I remember having these kind of banners in my bedroom.
Oh yeah. So we try to find, anything from Florida.
And a magazine rack that looks original.
Yes, it is. Uh-huh.
And then you have a bathroom back here.
We do. Yep. Not very big, but it's there.
It's better than nothing.
It is, believe you me.
More flamingos.
Mm-hmm. I said, well, what's better than flamingos in Florida? So.
Because that window opens pretty good.
Uh-huh.
All right. Well, thank you for
You're
showing
very
me
welcome.
Annabelle.
You're very welcome.
And happy camping. We'll see
We
you on the
we
next
have a
trip.
ball.
All right, thanks.
You're very welcome.
So I'm going to show outside a little bit.
Okay.
I'm going to show you the other end and all her decorations. So there is Annabelle. And they even have a red truck to match. This guy here playing the harmonica. Okay, everybody, so that's today's tour. Like and subscribe if you want to see more, and hit the little notification bell so you get an email every time I post a new video. Happy camping, everyone.